Mastering quality control charts. Quality control charts that don't align with organizational goals are a recipe for operational disaster. What steps do you take to ensure that quality control charts are effectively aligned with its organizational goals and objectives, thereby driving operational excellence? To ensure that quality control charts are effectively aligned with an organization's goals and objectives, thereby driving operational excellence, the following steps should be taken. Step 1. Establish clear organizational goals and objectives. The first step is to clearly define and establish the organization's goals and objectives. This should be done in a way that is measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. The goals and objectives should be communicated across the organization to ensure everyone understands what is expected. The quality control charts should be designed to support and measure progress towards these goals. Step 2. Identify key processes and metrics. Identify the key processes that have a significant impact on the organization's goals and objectives. These processes should be measured and monitored using relevant metrics that are aligned with the organization's goals. The quality control charts should be designed to track and analyze these metrics to ensure they are meeting the desired targets. Step 3. Develop quality control charts. Develop quality control charts that are tailored to the specific processes and metrics identified in Step 2. The charts should be designed to track and analyze data in real time, providing insights into process performance and identifying opportunities for improvement. The charts should be easy to understand, visually appealing, and accessible to all relevant stakeholders. Step 4. Set performance targets and limits. Set performance targets and limits for each quality control chart. These targets and limits should be based on historical data, industry benchmarks, or customer requirements. The targets and limits should be communicated to all relevant stakeholders to ensure everyone understands what is expected. Step 5. Monitor and analyze data. Monitor and analyze data in real time using the quality control charts. The data should be collected and recorded regularly, and any deviations or trends should be identified and addressed promptly. The charts should be used to identify opportunities for improvement and to track the effectiveness of corrective actions. Step 6. Implement corrective actions. Implement corrective actions when deviations or trends are identified. The corrective actions should be based on the analysis of the data and should be designed to address the root cause of the problem. The effectiveness of the corrective actions should be tracked and measured using the quality control charts. Step 7. Continuously review and refine. Continuously review and refine the quality control charts to ensure they remain relevant and effective. This should be done by regularly assessing the processes and metrics, and making adjustments as needed. The charts should be updated to reflect changes in the organization's goals and objectives, and to incorporate new data or insights. Step 8. Provide training and education. Provide training and education to all relevant stakeholders on the use and interpretation of the quality control charts. This should include training on the underlying statistical methods, data analysis, and interpretation of results. The training should be provided on a regular basis to ensure that all stakeholders have the necessary skills and knowledge to effectively use the charts. Step 9. Establish accountability. Establish accountability for the quality control charts and the data they generate. This should include assigning specific responsibilities to individuals or teams for collecting and analyzing data, identifying opportunities for improvement, and implementing corrective actions. The accountability should be reflected in performance metrics and evaluations. Step 10. Recognize and reward improvement. Recognize and reward improvement efforts and achievements. This should include recognizing and rewarding individuals or teams that identify opportunities for improvement and implement effective corrective actions. The recognition and rewards should be tied to the organization's goals and objectives, and should be communicated across the organization to reinforce the importance of quality and operational excellence. By following these steps, quality control charts can be effectively aligned with an organization's goals and objectives, driving operational excellence and improving overall performance.